New race car. What's up, fam? I'm with my second most important fam. Oh. But we are on our way to go look at a car. And yes, it is a 240. This one though is an S13. The one we looked at the other day was an S14. So we'll see which one I like better. I've never really looked into them in person and kind of gone through it too much. So we're gonna go check it out. I was gonna go with my friend Jesse again, the one from the last video. But I guess he totally forgot we were gonna do it. And so he made some plans. So I'm just gonna take my Familia with me. Unfortunate because I like to have a mechanic there whenever I'm checking out a car. But we'll try and we'll do our best. We'll do our best. Thanks, guys. Alright, what's your name, really? You pay? I just met this guy and I'm telling him what to do. I'm directing everything. Yeah. So, this is the car. Tell me a little bit about it, man.
It's not much. It's just my car. I was building it for like a year.
For a year?
A convertible and then
You did all that in a year?
Yeah, and it wasn't in a year.
So why are you selling it? Just got bored of it?
It's just, you know, trying to get a motorcycle now, bro.
Oh, okay.
Harley or what? I got that one. I was like, I don't know, man.
Oh, you do got an 86. Okay,
Yeah,
I was like, dang.
I don't know.
Dang.
It's just here now.
I like it, dude.
It's been parked for like a year, barely driving it here and there only.
It does run though?
It does run.
Yeah, the fitting's nice.
The only thing is these installed to the the keys for it too, so pops up. I deleted the little hood cable or whatever, so I just put that. Yeah,
I like that.
Right there, I know.
I love it.
I didn't want to mess it there, so.
That's cool, dude.
What is the Gatorade bottle for?
No, it's the overflow tank.
Yeah, I love that. That's hella sick, car.
Stop critiquing me, okay?
I haven't really drove it around.
Good morning. It is the next day. Well, we didn't really record too much yesterday because we didn't actually pick up the car. We just went to go test drive it, check it out, make sure everything was okay. I like to sleep on things before I go and buy something that costs that much money. So we hit the guy up. We're gonna go over there right now, and I did decide to pick it up. So we are going to be having a new 240. We did it. We picked up a drift car. I'm so stoked, dude. I can't even tell you, like, this thing, it feels fun. It needs a lot of work. Don't get me wrong, a lot of work. But I think for the price, it's not too bad. You know, in all transparency, we paid about $3,200. So I think it's top end for this car. But we have a lot of stuff we're gonna do to it. A lot of plans, and it's gonna be really nice. It sounds pretty decent. It idles high, but we're gonna try and get it home. You're gonna have to drive behind me because I don't want to get pulled over. Okay. It runs though. It runs.
So how was that?
Hard to get out. Needs a little work, but I think we can get the engine cleaned up, running nicely, get the idle back down to low. But needs an exhaust for sure. Engine needs a lot of work. Definitely needs a new steering wheel, steering column. Very small wheel, so it's kind of weird to drive. And the visor in the front just keeps flipping down, and it's really annoying.
Oh, like our
yeah,
car.
I hate it. I hate it, but we'll fix it. We'll fix it.
And your brake lights are just like a little tiny red dot.
Yeah, the blinkers in the front don't even work. So
Oh shit, there goes your
keys
keys.
just came apart.
Oh, yeah.
The good thing is I'm not going to be driving this every day. This is going to be parked in your project car. So little by little, we're going to fix this up over the next probably year or two, and hopefully it should be very fun. And the kids are going crazy in the car. So let me get them. So this is it, guys. This is the beauty. It's got a big old wang on it. Definitely going to take that off. Definitely have some other options in mind, but I do like the coupe style instead of the hatchback. Looks real nice. The wheels are reps, the kit is reps, so I'll leave it for now since it is going to be a drift missile. So I'll probably end up destroying this while I'm learning how to drift, but it's okay because once I get the hang of it, then we'll go ahead and put on a decent kit. So let's take a look at this, guys. It's going to be kind of hard to show you guys exactly what's going on, but this is pretty much what we've got going on in here. Ooh, yep. So the dash is a little cracked, as you can see up there. Not too horribly though, especially for an S13. We do need to get rid of that like shifter though. That's a no-go. And this wheel is actually like really small. I don't know if you can see that compared to my hand. Like it's kind of small, so definitely want to get a bigger one. Seats aren't, you know, they're getting taken out. I don't know if you can see anything right now, it's so dark. There we go, a little bit better. So the seats are definitely going to be taken out. Put something nice in there, aftermarket. So that's just the shift knob. It's really JDM, not my style. Small, super small wheel. That's going to be gone. Crack dash again. It has seat belts, so that's nifty. This little automatic thing is cool. The interior is nothing special. Most of it's probably gonna get gutted anyways, but you know, hey, it's what it is. It's not bad. It's in decent condition. It's not covered in stickers. So the one thing that kind of like bothers me is like back here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like really rusted on the steering column. So that's probably gonna need to get replaced. Or I don't know if I can fix that or not. We'll see. It's gonna be difficult though. And then obviously we have these, they're like MST wheels. I've actually never heard of MST. They fit pretty good. These are 18 by 9.5. So the fitment's not too, it's actually really good. It's like pretty tight up in there. It doesn't rub though, that's what's good. Wing's gonna go for sure. Not sure if I like this kit. It is a rep, so I'll probably just fucking use it until I wreck it. I'll probably slam that into a wall, who knows. Hood is, he said he molded this vent on, so it's not even like a legit vent. It doesn't have any holes in it. As you can see, there's no cutouts. But it does look kind of good. I don't know if you can see that. It's really, really bright out. There we go. It's a little better. This white doesn't help either. So there's a molded hood. It does need to be cut out. I don't know if I will do that or not. I might just get a new one. Because the way he had these hood latches on here, they're like kind of wonky. They move back and forth when it's open. And the cut wasn't very well done. So probably just end up getting a new hood. It's not too bad though. It has a little weather stripping. I didn't really see too much rust anywhere. I haven't really looked too much at the underside. That's one thing. But we will take a better look at it once we can take it home. Or get it in the back, actually. We're going to get in the back here. And then see if we can jack it up. Not today though, because we got other stuff to do. Original paint color, as you can see, was red. Not really sure what color I want to paint it. I think for now, definitely going to leave it white, just because there's a lot of other stuff I want to get to first before the paint. But, you know, if you got an idea for a paint color or a scheme, leave it in the description below. Or not description, in the comment section below. Purple? I mean, that's not a bad idea. Maybe like purple with white wheels. I think that would look super fresh.
Like a really bright purple, like a pretty
like metallic, a super like metallic purple. I think that would look nice. Lots to do, lots of options. I mean, let me know what you guys want to do with it.
American flag.
Yeah!
Oh no, I'm not. No, I don't want to do like the whole like crazy vinyls and like decals and like drift missile type thing. Not yet, at least. For now, just something plain and simple. Look at him in the seat. Look at that guy.
He's been shifting
Look at him.
in there.
Look at him in there. You see him? He likes the drift missile.
Is that what you're calling it?
I mean, that's what they call like little beaters that are like drifters. Like, I don't know. I mean, maybe we should come up with a name for it. What do you think? Think we should have a name? Like a special name? Francis? You guys want to call it Ajax or Francis? I don't know. If you guys have a name for the drift missile, comment down below. Let me know. I'll have to think of something. I want something catchy and creative, obviously. But I usually, honestly, don't name my cars. So, you know, that's just me. Now he's getting in the SUV. By the way, I don't think I ever showed you guys that. It is a Lexus. It's a Lexus LX450. This is basically the exact same thing as a Toyota Land Cruiser. So basically we have our Land Cruiser for off-roading and the drift missile for like drifting, obviously. I might do some videos of us off-roading, going out to like Anza Borrego, which is like next to San Diego. We do some pretty fun off-roading stuff. It's pretty cool. It's not something we get to do too often, but I'm definitely gonna be putting more money into the drift car because that's my priority right now. Look at that though, man. We'll just do a walk around real quick. If you got the lights on, they're hella messing with shit in there. Ooh, look at that though, look at that. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
The wipers on.
He had said that there was no air conditioning, but they just turned it on and it worked.
Cool.
Yeah, so, I mean, AC worked, that's nice. But they had messed with like everything, so as soon as I turned it on, the whole car just started like freaking out.
Yeah.
Alright. Do it. I've literally only had the car for like 20 minutes. I've already had 2 people be like, yo, sick car, bro.
The motorcycle guy right on the way? Yeah, I seen that.
Come on. So we were driving on the way here, and I pull up to a stoplight, and there's this dude on a pretty nice bike, pulls up right next to us. And he's like, yo, I thought I had the only like 240 Silvia in town. And I was like, not anymore, bro, I just bought it. But I told him to check out the channel, so if you're watching, bro, hey, what's up, let's hang out.
You're good, I think.
Yo, I am definitely not used to low car anymore. I think we might have to bag it. I don't know. I think it'd be cool bagged anyways, a bag drift car, fuck it. Okay, so here is the first mod.
Okay.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy. Fancy.
It's a nice little windshield reflector. You gotta take care of that cracked dash, right? Say hi.
Hi.
I totally just noticed this, but if you look right there, the seat's not even bolted in. The other 3 are bolted in, but that one's not. It's just chilling there. Gotta say, I do like it though. It's very nice. I like the way the position feels, how like low you are, how much you can see out of the car. Everything's in a good position. It's definitely a very driver-centric car, in my opinion. I do enjoy it so far. But I gotta say, it's gonna be a lot of work. A lot of work. But that's okay, because I'm sure you guys will enjoy watching me put some blood, sweat, and tears into this thing.
See? He's in the car.
Whoa! Hey guys. Yeah, I'm just chilling right now.
I want to chill too.
You want to chill too?
Yeah.
All right. So one thing I did notice is the alignment is like really off on this, and the steering wheel is like super wobbly. So we definitely need to get like a better like adapter and hub and everything and wheel. This whole thing is gonna have to go. There's no radio, so we're gonna need to take care of that. I don't know if I want to put one or not. I know it's gonna be drift car, but I still like to have some jams. AC probably doesn't matter. I'm probably gonna rip that out. Still has all the vents. Dash is a little cracked, but I think it's repairable. So Liam,
What?
are you gonna help me build this car?
Yes.
Yeah? We're gonna make it a drift missile? Are you gonna go drifting with me? Heck yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it here for today. If you guys enjoy the content, you like the videos, you like us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because I know YouTube is not notifying people that my videos are coming out. So hit it up, hit that post notifications. Also, if you guys are into the build, if you like the 240, if you want to see us do more stuff with it and be able to take it to drift events and get it looking the way it needs to be, think about maybe becoming a patron. Check out in the description below how you can become a patron on Patreon and help this channel and the build. Thank you for subscribing, guys. And really, thank you to everyone who's been along for the ride. I know it's a weird shift from the Mark 7 to this car, but in all reality, it's just another car, bro. It's just another build. We're still gonna keep it lit, right? We're gonna keep it lit. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. And as always, stay boosted. You gotta say stay boosted. No, you gotta say it.
Stay boosted.